Dua to get exchange for any kind of lost or damage. Narrated by Umm Salama, Radi Allahu Anha. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if any Muslim who suffers some calamity, damage or lost and says what Allah has commanded him, Inna Lillahi Wa ilahi rajeuun, Allahumma Ajurni fi Musibati wa Akhlifli Khairam Minha. We belong to Allah and to Him shall we return. O Allah, reward me for my affliction or lost and give me something better than it in exchange for it. Then Allah will give him something better than it in exchange. When the husband of Salama died, she said, what Muslim is better than Abu Salama Radi Allahu Anh, whose family was the first to emigrate to the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then I said this dua, and Allah gave me Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in exchange. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Hatib bin Abu Batla radiallahu anhu to deliver me the message of marriage with him. Sahih Muslim.